Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2011 government pass question number 49. The question number 49 says the organ of the United Nations responsible for the approval of its annual budget is the dash. The organ of the United Nations responsible for the approval of its annual budget is the dash. A. General Assembly. B. Economic and Social Council. C. Secretariat. D. Security Council. So the four options we have here are the organs of UN. The organs of UN. But the question now says which of these organs is charged with the responsibility of approving annual budget, that is the yearly budget of UN. The organ that is responsible for this function is the General Assembly. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.